How to unbox the ETC Montessori Lower Elementary Word Study Package. So when it comes to you, it'll be similar to this. It's a stack of small cards, so best to open it flat on a surface and basically get scissors or a craft knife, slip carefully into the plastic. Cover page and small manual with the overview of the packet. Inside we have the task cards on top, and each of these will have a label down the corner that says, like this one is level 1, alpha 2, alpha 1, alpha 3. It gives you the order and what level each is with. For these, compound, antonyms, etc. So if you get them out of order, look to the label and get them back in order. Okay, and these are essentially ordered the same way. Go one layer at a time, left to right. They are labeled in the bottom corner for each section. Compounds 1 is its first section, and so compounds 3 and on down. And then each of the different sections has its own color and their own labels, so much easier to keep together. Okay, and we have the introduction cards. These for the alphabetizing, and it's again 2 layers of these, and it goes down to compound word introductions. And you do, again, left to right, top down, keep them in order. Each of these sections has a corresponding label card. You can go through the drawers, starting with the left, going across, and then down to the next one. Basically, each of these little level 1, alpha 1 is all one drawer. You collect all those together. And then these would all go into a drawer with its corresponding level 1, alpha 1 card. Then you go on to level 1, alpha 2 for the next one, and so on down across until we get to the different parts of speech. So each of these are color-coded and also labeled in the bottom corner, just as the alphabetized ones are. Contractions 1, classification, etc. And the same process is done with those, one layer at a time, and getting all the matching labels together in each drawer with its matching label card.